Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Second game of 10 scheduled for today. Napanood na natin kanina. Players from Bataan and CDO, with the guys from CDO winning convincingly 102-75. At ngayon, ang ating mga players from Zamboanga taking on the players from El Cubo ng Region 2. Dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas, Baron Mercado, covering the action. At kung meron man akong take away o meron akong nakuha dun sa ating laro kanina, this first place squads, yung ating mga runners up, talagang hindi magpapatalo sa kanilang mga kalaban dito, inter-province. Under-province, yes, hindi man sila nanalo ng kanilang mga kampyonato, pero dito, ipapakita nila ang kanilang galing, ipapakita nila ang kanilang husay kapag kalaban na nila ang mga karatig probinsya. This time, medyo malayo ang agwat, Region 2 versus Zamboanga. Again, different quality of basketball as that lefty finish goes in para kay Andre Abapo. Wearing maroon ay itong Zamboanga Norte Bulldogs, El Cubo Basketball from Region 2. Sila naman ang nakaputi dito, a 6-2 start on the side of Zamboanga. As that easy basket didn't go in para dito sa kampo ng El Cubo. That was Talbo missing his shot. Another miss on the side, fights for the ball. At as early as now, with 8 minutes remaining, ma-determine ko na yung difference ng laro from kanina and then ngayon. Earlier on, it was just pure offense. Parehong kuponan, just exchanging baskets all throughout. Right now, medyo ramdam na natin yung pisikalan, ramdam na natin yung dikit ng depensa ng magkaparehong teams. As Zamboanga is up here 6-2. Went for that steal, will go for this attack, sends it on the left. Jumper. Almost an attempt pero merong foul on his way. A blocking foul ang itatawag dito during that drive attempt by Renquillo. Open driving lane, easy. 2 points para kay Layson. A 2-2 start para dito sa kampo ng Zamboanga. Just imagine going in. What a move on that last play. Ang Ngobong making that play. That was Denver making that attempt. They force a stop. At sasabihin ko pa lang sana, got to thank everyone watching sa ating live stream, and of course got to appreciate the players and the coaches. Ang layo pa ng pinanggalingan ng magkaparehong teams na to just to play for the Battle of Champions dito sa Junior MPBL. 3 from the corner. That is off the mark. Talbo with a finish. Went for that putback. Itong si Talbo, and he get that basket to go in, and just like that, nabawi agad ng mga taga Zamboanga ang kanilang puntos dito. 10-6 ang ating score. Looking to make something happen on defense. Just diving on that ball. Still in possession. Referees jump call na. Ang tawag bola ng Zamboanga. 10-6 is the score. Napakabilis na responde, napakabilis na aksyon ang ating nakikita dito. With 5 minutes 15 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter, Layson, backcourt violation, a bit too late on that pass. Perez will start this playoff para dito sa kampo ng I should say ng Region 2, El Cubo. They couldn't hit that 3. Chance to run. Too far. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. Kung kanina on our opening game, ramdam natin yung excitement, ramdam natin yung gigil ng magkaparehong teams. Now, these two teams a bit more settled, a bit more controlled here, as Abang will turn the ball away. Four minutes 20 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter, and a steal by the guys in white. Looking to make something on their offense. Goes for that swing on the right side. Approaching the final 4. Naghahanap pa rin ng opensiba itong El Cubo. Guys from Region 2. Perez with a jumper. That is off. Solid rebound. Goes for that drive once again. Now on the attack. A 3-on-3 break that will be finished through contact. What an impressive finish right there. I believe that was a Lance Morada making that play through contact. with 3 minutes 20 to go. Dito sa ating opening quarter. A bit of a slower pace than earlier. Both teams nung ating first game scoring 28 points each. So far ngayon, 10-8 ang ating score with 3 minutes remaining ang natitira sa ating opening quarter. Chance of defense ang chinicheer dito. Bola mapupunta dito sa Zamboanga Norte Bulldogs. Goes through the tough shot. A solid defense by the guys in white, and gonna go for this attack is Denver once again. That time it's all board. Fights for that possession. It is a reset. Perez for 3. Kaboom! For their first 3-pointer of the game. Oliver Perez hits that 3-pointer to give Region 2 first taste of the lead. A bit too aggressive on that defensive stance. Itong si Yaron Tamayo. Referees will call stepping on the line on that last play. I should say that was a good defensive stop by Denver. Now we'll play their offensive set. Morada, tsaka itong si Denver. Two of the players that scored for them, as well as Perez para dito sa Region 2. Speaking of 3, that is a shot hoisted. Nice rescue, good effort on the side of Region 2 with a minute 14. Denver for 3, that is off the mark. Another opportunity. Nice pass, Lance Morada with a show and go. Went up for that Pinoy step. Itong si Lance Morada. Perez with a steal. A bit too fancy for their liking. And coaches not happy with that play. Could have been a much easier pass, but a bit too fancy. Timeout is called by Zamboanga. Let's see how they will catch up here.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan.
Final 50 seconds remaining dito sa ating second game of 10 for today. As Region 2, El Cubo Basketball having a lead here. Vince Abang will be at the line, in and out on that first free throw with 47.4 seconds remaining. Makes 1 out of 2 itong si Vince Abang, cutting the lead to 2 points. After scoring the first 10 points, only scoring 1 since itong Zamboanga. Meanwhile, Region 2, after a slow start, getting their grooves in. Nice steal, nice defense. Can they convert? 1-2 step, pounds the ball inside. Referees will call a travel. 26.9 or make it a 28.4 remaining here in our opening quarter. Looking to make some plays once again itong Region 2. Just couldn't convert. Easiest basket of the day. Ooh, just a sorry miss That is a back-to-back sorry miss para dito sa Zamboanga. Just couldn't get that basket to go. And that is, I should say, our easiest basket of today, courtesy of Ibrahim Salem, scoring on that basket to end our first quarter. 15-11 is the score. End of the first quarter, brought to us by Domo Domo and Manny Pacquiao's Jr. MPBL Battle of Champions.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo.
Start of the second quarter sa bakbakang Region 2 El Cubo Basketball at itong Zamboanga Bulldogs for Manny Pacquiao's Jr. MPBL Battle of Champions as that three-pointer goes in. First three of the second quarter. That is Gabe Limbawan knocking down that three-pointer and answering quick para dito sa Zamboanga ay itong si Anugon to start things off dito sa ating first half of action. 18-13 is our score here with 9 minutes 14 remaining. Early moments pa lamang ng ating second quarter. At kung babalikan natin yung ating action on that first quarter, it was Zamboanga who blazed out guns hot on that quarter, pero it was a Region 2 finishing that quarter strong, having that lead as back-to-back baskets para dito kay Anugon, para dito sa Zamboanga. 8:40 remaining dito sa ating second quarter of action. Zamboanga looking to get the tie once again, looking to make up for that sorry miss. That won't fall. Now on the attack once again, Mendoza will be fouled by Abang. So Denver Angobong will start the inbound para dito sa Region 2. Was one of the players that scored well for them at the first quarter. Talking about Denver Angobong. At itong kanyang kasama at the guard position, Gabe Limbawan, with that beautiful highlight of a move earlier. Looking to will their way here. Si Talbo, maganda rin ang ipinakita para dito sa kampo ng El Cubo. Ibrahim Salem as well. Speaking of Gabe Limbawan, missing on that shot. Si Perez has hit that three-pointer as well. So nakakadalawang 3 points na itong Region 2 in this game. One in the first and one in the second. Kaso nga lang a turnover on the other side. (18-15) is the score. Salem will not complete that stop. And now for Abang and company, needing to be more in control in this game. Naging laro na ng Region 2 itong ating ball game at the start or during the first half of our first quarter. Doon na nakakuha ng momentum itong mga players ni Coach Lucky Limbawan. 18-15, a 3-point advantage para dito sa Region 2. (18-15) pa rin ang ating talaan. A bit slower this time. Good defense by Region 2. I believe that was Mendoza making that last stop. Or was it Perez? Regardless of who, it was a good stop for Region 2 getting those baskets. Denied an opportunity with 5 minutes 52 remaining. Abang will have a breather. Five minutes 35 remaining here. Another three. That is too strong. Gets or tries to get that offensive rebound that didn't work. First shot by Cyrus Demate, who's part of the MLO basketball, is here for the first time. As that basket going in, a timeout is called here. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
Region 2 up by 5 points here. 20-15. As I have seen the appearance of the Wizard here in Battle of Champions. A proud product of MLO basketball. The champions of the under-13 naman, the back-to-back champions. Talking about Cyrus Demate has now entered the surface for this squad for Region 2. Ibrahim Salem, I believe I covered him nung pocket league natin dito. As a steal is made by Gabe Limbawan, looking to make a stop, looking to make a play. Four minutes 15 to go dito sa ating five-point lead pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Region 2 after having a slow start. Here is the Wizard. Misfires on the three is Demate for his second shot of the game, I believe. Thought about that attempt but decides to drive and draws a foul quickly on that last one. A free throw coming in. This time couldn't hit the basket as a Layson, who scored in the opening quarter, will sink his third point, I believe, of this game. As Gabe Limbawan brings the ball to Demate, looks to break away for that double team. At merong foul na itatawag dito. Four-point lead para dito sa Region 2. Again, a much slower pace that we have seen compared to our first one. Seconds on the shot clock. Looking to make a steal once again. Goes for that drive. Almost getting that basket in. A better stop para dito kay Ibrahim Salim. Sends it. Goes for this pass. 1-2 step. At masyado ng maraming pasa yon. A bit too unselfish for their liking on that last play with 2 minutes 33 remaining. Looking to make an attack. Itong mga taga Zamboanga hasn't hit a smooth field goal in quite some time now. A missed 3. Rescued. Jump call. Possession will go back to Zamboanga. Again, a slow pace we're seeing here. 20-16 ang ating score dito. Zamboanga hasn't hit a field goal in quite some time as Abang misfires for 3. Denkiho. That time it is good para dito sa Zamboanga. A good basket, a much needed one for Andre Abapo hitting that 3. 1 point lead now for Region 2. Let's see if they can take the lead. Talking about Zamboanga, and they scoot one in. Andre Abapo has at least 7 points in the contest. Timeout dito ang El Cubo Region 2. Let's see what will happen after this break.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga
Zamboanga now with the lead after that 5-point run made by Abapo, who hit that 3 and made the shot for the lead. Abapo again. That is off the mark. Follow-up didn't go in. Now, Gabe Limbawan sends it on the left. Finds a man inside and one. Both teams making back-to-back big baskets. It was Abapo para dito sa Zamboanga Norte. Del Norte, I should say. This time, it's Manalo who makes that 3-point play count. Balik sa Region 2 ang kalamangan, 23-21. Final 53 seconds remaining into this opening half of basketball. That is a missed opportunity for Zamboanga to retake that lead. And now we'll have a chance here. Region 2, de Descarte. Final 35 to go. Open on the left side, goes for that drive. Makes a space. Referees will call a travel. (23-21). Basket goes in for Gabe Limbawan. 25-21. Apat na kalamangan. Limbawan again. Gets that steal once again. Morada makes it back-to-back points on his name. Final 2 seconds to go. And they will not have that shot up. And just like that, first half of action has now concluded on the side of both teams with Region 2 reigning supreme 27-21. Let's see what will happen. Will Zamboanga catch up or will Region 2 continue their beautiful play dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions?
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to.
Third quarter of action sa ating second game of 10 for Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Region 2 having a 6-point lead here against Zamboanga as Abang starts off with a steal and a basket for Zamboanga del Norte Bulldogs. Baron Mercado covering the action live inside Banana Court in Las Piñas. First quarter, for the first 5 minutes, belong to Zamboanga. Napaka-solid ng kanilang simula. Talking about Zamboanga. Pero pagpasok ng ating second quarter, it was a Region 2 having the last laugh and having a 6-point lead. 27-23 ang ating score dito. A minute has passed already dito sa ating third quarter at Zamboanga pa lamang ang nakakapuntos courtesy of that Abang steal and basket. Didiskarte once again. The guys in maroon. Nice scoot layup right there by Renquijo. Getting that opportunity. Kanina nagmintis na ng basket itong si Renquijo. As Kyle has made some baskets and a foul was called. So a foul as Corpus will be at the line. He will miss the first. Couldn't secure the first free throw itong si Corpus. So scoring the first 4 points in this third quarter, itong Zamboanga, they have been doing the same nung ating early moments ng first quarter. Stepping on the line will be called here on the side of Region 2. Zamboanga may pagkakataong makakuha ng kalamangan as Abang to Corpus. Extra pass, Layson with a jumper. That is off the mark. Solid rebound on the side of Region 2, looking for their first field goal of this contest in this third quarter. Discarte once again. Looks to send it out. Attacks on the left, finishing on the right. Gets that rebound, and there's a foul on that putback attempt na manggagaling dito sa El Cubo, courtesy of Joden Bautista, I should say. So let's see if Bautista can put the first 2 points on their squad. Sinks the first one para dito sa kampo ng Region 2 El Cubo Basketball. Knocks down that second one. 29-25. That's the first 2 points para dito sa Region 2. Wala pa silang field goal as they look to make some swipe as Corpus will be called for an 8-second call. Bueno will start the inbound. Will look to attack here. Goes for that drive. Lost the ball. Here's Renquizo. Run away. Abang for 2. 27-29. Dalawa na lamang ang hinahabol dito ng Zamboanga with 7 minutes remaining into this ball game. Third quarter action. 29-27. And a foul is called once again on the side of Zamboanga. No penalty situation yet para kay Denver Angobong, who played well in the first half para dito sa Region 2. Here's Angobong. Sends it for the spin. Better defense. Referees call a travel as a Joden Bautista. Hindi nabitawan ng bola doon. With 6:30 remaining dito sa ating third quarter, only a 2-point contest for Region 2, only scoring 2 points so far. A steal on the other side. Can they finish? Yes, they do. Joden Bautista with a conversion. A solid steal on the other side. Looking for another point. Extra pass. Bump. Basket and one. Demetrius Manalo will look to complete his play again. And for Region 2, they have been in total control, nanganganib nung bandang simula, pero so far has been recovering well. Knocks down on that bonus is Demetrius Manalo. Has a couple of baskets in his name. Goes for that scoop shot. What a move. I believe that was a Tamayo making that basket, or I should say that was a Tionko making that scoop shot. What a move. But on the other side, Zamboanga, they have been committing their fouls. Joden Bautista once again will be at the line. That's their 4th team foul. Talking about Zamboanga, isa na lamang. At mapupunta na sila sa penalty. Joden Bautista having a resurgence here in the third quarter. Helping his teammates. Itong sila Limbawan, Morada. Played well so far, and he knocks down both free throws. Can they break the press? Talking about Zamboanga. Denkizo gets that basket. Renquizo now has a couple of baskets in his name, at least 6 on my count. Again, a bump by Joden. Bautista misfires on that attempt. Now going for the run, a 3-on-3 break. Kyle Renquizo couldn't get that one in. That tip, offensive rebound. Kyle once again not giving up. Kyle Renquizo gets that steal again. Renquizo will be fouled. And that is the energy that you would love for Zamboanga del Norte to have, as Kyle Renquizo will be at the free throw area. Let's see if Renquizo can complete his play here. Cannot knock down the free throw, but he has been that spark for Zamboanga del Norte, as the Bulldogs looking to cut this 3-point lead down na kanina nasa kanila ang kalamangan. They were up 8-2 at the start of the game and lost it along the way. Here's Bueno, hounded here by Galvez and Corpus. Emergency pass, nice one. Joden Bautista taking over in this third quarter. 4 minutes 30 remaining dito sa ating third quarter, as Corpus with a pass, Layson with a miss. Couldn't get that finish. Now looking to make a stop as a Darilag, hounded by Corpus. Denver Angobong. Kanina nakita natin. So we'll be at the line here. Knocks down the first free throw. The Wizard couldn't make the most of that trip. Again, a winner. Talking about Cyrus Demate, one of the players that I have covered since Pocket League Season 1. Part of this Region 2 squad. Demate with a drive. And a foul is called. Once again, they discarte at the free throw area. The Wizard will shoot his free throws in. And gusto ko lang din batiin lahat ng nanonood sa ating live stream. Sa magandang umaga po. A full coverage for today. Second game of 10. Wala pa tayo sa kalahati ng ating coverage. At talagang natutuwa akong makasama kayo sa napakagandang araw na ito. So keep your comments coming. Kapag na-timingan natin, babasahin natin to. Sabi ni Jackie Galvez, God bless daw sa Zamboanga Bulldogs. Needing to make it up for this 7-point advantage. Napakaganda ng simula for the Zamboanga del Norte squad. But a better reception by Region 2. Some players from Isabela. Yan, sa mga part ng area na yun. Again, I see Cyrus Demate here. A product. Here he is. Demate will go for this attack. Fakes a 3, then shoots it. That is off the mark for the Wizard. 41-34. Extra pass by Abang. Didiskarte sa ilalim. Renquizo has been playing well for them. A 3-bomb. That won't go in. big offensive rebound and that shot just putting it in after that follow-up. Anugon, nakakailan na rin dito sa ating laro. Bautista continues the takeover para dito sa Region 2. Joden Bautista has been playing well. Ooh, what a nasty cross that was. A 3 on the way. Couldn't detonate. Demate with the rebound. And Cyrus is being hounded by Corpus once again. Demate with a spin. Finds Bueno. 3. Good. Just like that, a 10-point lead. 46-36 after that Demate pass to Bueno. What a third quarter para dito sa Region 2. Joden Bautista, the main catalyst of this run, has been doing a good job just willing his squad here. Lance Morada also played well on that first half of action, but Joden just really taking over. Demetrius Manalo, ganda rin ang performance so far for Region 2. So whether you're supporting Zamboanga or Region 2, I hope you're enjoying here sa ating aksyon for today. And what a scoop shot again coming in for Andre Abapo. What a duel between Abapo and Bautista. Here's Demate. Nice pass. Ibrahim Salem just couldn't hit that basket. Renquizo playing well so far in the third. Goes for the attack. Kyle Renquizo couldn't make that basket. A steal. Abang for 2. Final 63 seconds remaining here in the third quarter. Di Discarte once again now facing a full court pressure. Itong Region 2. Wild shot didn't go in. Ball is tapped. It was rescued. Demate is asking for it. Here's Cyrus looking to make Corpus dance. 5 seconds to work with. Cyrus for 3. In it goes. Getting that friendly roll is Cyrus Demate. 49-40. Abang. Wild shot won't fall, as these guys from Region 2 will slow the game down for the final 15, but they hurried up that shot. Don't know why, but Corpus will pass it off. Abang, third man. Hindi makakakuha ng basket si Abapo, but will be at the free throw area. Andre Abapo playing well in this game so far. Knocks down the first one. Second free throw. Abapo with the miss. Demate on the hurry to beat the buzzer. Couldn't make that 3. But regardless, it was a solid third quarter para dito sa Region 2, led by Joden Bautista, who has been playing well, has been the spark for El Cubo basketball, I should say. 49-41, fourth quarter action in this under 14 division. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, kabayad Nagbabago pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior and PBL para sa'yo.
This is the fourth quarter between El Cubo Basketball of Region 2 and Zamboanga del Norte Bulldogs. Battle of Champions as Kyle Renquizo starts things off. Once again, baba ulit sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Region 2. Dito nahirapan ang Zamboanga to cut it off as Cyrus Demate was able to rescue that play and he turns the ball away. That third quarter, it was a back and forth para sa magkaparehong team na ibaba ng Zamboanga to as low as 2 points. But Joden Bautista, Cyrus Demate, Bueno, they have been really keeping this team at bay. Talking about this Zamboanga squad as Renquizo once again has been playing solid for Zamboanga. Silang dalawa ni Andre Abapo carrying much of the scoring load for this Zamboanga squad. Again, a special shout out po sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin dyan sa ating live stream. Demate went for that attack and a foul will be called on Tionco. Second team foul for Zamboanga as Demate will trigger the inbound. Angobong balik kay Demate. Ibrahim Salem was defended well there. Here's Abang, fakes that pass, just couldn't make that basket. Goes behind his back, stolen away. Ooh, solid move. Just couldn't finish itong si Kyle Renquizo, but will be at the free throw area. So at the line, Kyle Renquizo just couldn't hit his free throws. Kenny, that has been the problem. Majority of the way for Zamboanga having those shots at the free throw area. Just need to convert though as Kyle makes it 1 out of 2. Tatlo na lang ulit ang kalamangan dito ng Region 2 as Bueno will pass it to Salem inside. Di pa rin makakuha. Demate and company looking to regain that possession and they do with 7 minutes 38 remaining. Looking to increase this lead. A jumper that is off the mark. A solid rebound anticipated. Nice steal from behind. Renquizo all the way. 4-2. What a game for Kyle Renquizo. After missing those 2 easy baskets, has now made up for it. Timeout is called by Region 2. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan.
Bueno and company looking to gain a bigger lead here dahil isa na lamang ang kanilang kalamangan as Demate goes for that drive and will be fouled here. One of the players na pamilyar dito sa ating Banana Court is si Cyrus Demate. Again, part of that MLO basketball squad. Under 13 championship squad. Back-to-back champion. Season 1 ng Pocket League. Was able to defend the crown. Cyrus Demate, I believe, was the South Division MVP. Couldn't make his free throws. Alam ko maraming nanonood na kamag-anak ni Cyrus in our on our live stream. So a special shout out po sa inyo. Again, nababasa ko po yung comments nyo. Yeah, thank you po. That was Kyle Renquijo earlier. As Demate takes that ball and scores for 2. Renquijo nakakailan na rin for Zamboanga. Again, may apologies. I just rely on the list na binibigay sa amin dito. But again, tatama po natin yan as we go along. Again, nagbabasa po tayo ng ating comments dito. So rest assured na yung mga comments nyo po ating na-appreciate. .642 remaining. Dito sa ating fourth quarter, Kyle Renquijo and the company looking to cut this lead off. 4-point lead. Here's Kyle. Didiskarte, aatake ulit. Renquijo, masyadong bitin. Yung kanyang drive on that one. Couldn't score, but he has been the spark for Zamboanga. Talking about Renquijo. And a turnover. A traveling call on the side of Region 2. 48-52. Abang will give it to Abapo, who's also playing well. Here is Andre Abapo with a tough finish. Baba sa dalawa ang kalamangan. Zamboanga looking to play defense. Here's Demate. Couldn't get that circus shot to go. As Renquijo wrestled for that possession. Balik ang bola dito sa Zamboanga. Renquijo will trigger the inbound. Balik kay Corpus. Guarded by Demate. With 5 minutes 20 to go. A spin. A basket. What a move by Corpus. Tied at 52. Zamboanga hindi pa nakakalamang for the first time since the first quarter. Doon pa lamang unang nakalamangan Zamboanga when the score was 8-2, 6-2. May pagkakataon sila but Bautista will be at the line though. Ganda ng kanyang third quarter. Talking about Joden. Bautista sinks his first one. Joden knocks down the second. 54-52 is the score. Nag-aabang Andre Renquijo spins, shoots, and scores for the tie. Kyle Renquijo with a solid performance as well. Demate for 3. That is off the mark. Zamboanga looking to take the lead here. Renquijo, nice pass. Layson for the lead. What a run by Zamboanga. Lamang na sila dito ng dalawa. First lead since the first quarter for the Bulldogs. Lance Morada securing the first free throw. Again, I appreciate the comments po. Maraming salamat. Babasahin naman po natin yan from time to time as this game is starting to be good as Morada secures that free throw. Talking about Lance. 56 to 57. Zamboanga down by 1. Rengquiso stretching for that basket. What a game by Kyle Rengquiso. Rengquijo, I should say. Another basket. No good. Rengquijo with the rebound. Kyle looking to protect this 2-point lead. Oh, Layson. Di makakabasket. Rengquijo once again. Gets that ball. Loses it on the last second. Lance will be called for traveling. As you can see, the bench of Zamboanga really happy so far. Kyle Rengquijo nagpapakilala dito sa ating Battle of Champions. Yung mga kababayan niya from Zamboanga, yung mga kamag-anak niya watching from the live stream. Sa mga nagko-correct sa atin sa comment section, really proud on the performance of Kyle Rengquiso. Bulldogs will call for time. Kyle Rengquijo and company will talk things through as they look to extend this lead. Meron tayong timeout call.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
Kyle Rengquijo and Zamboanga looking to add more points here. Make it a 4-point lead for Zamboanga. What a run by the Bulldogs here in the fourth quarter. Rengquijo and company making a solid fourth quarter run. And here's Kyle once again rejecting that pass. 2 minutes 50 remaining. Here's Lance Morada. Can't call glass and a rebound secured by Kyle. Zamboanga kanina trailing by as much as 10 points. Ngayon nakalamang na ng 4. Rengquijo triggers the inbound. Abapo has been playing well dito sa Zamboanga. Here's Andre losing the balance. Fighting for that possession. Region 2 medyo nanganganib towards the end of this game with 2 minutes 22. Cyrus Demate and company needing to make a run on the defensive side. Rengkiho and company will play defense. Here's Demate on the receive. With 2 minutes 17 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Let's see if Region 2 can make a run. Here's Lance Morada. Drop pass, fakes, shoots, and scores. Demetrius Manalo with a tough basket and a turnover on the side of Zamboanga. Last 2 minutes po tayo. Perez will start the inbound. Demate, big three. Offline. Good defense by Corpus. He has been hounding Demate. Talking about Corpus. Ang ganda ng depensa na dito kay Cyrus. Abang also playing well. Breaking free. Here's Kyle Rengkiho. Balik kay Abang, a big three. Bang! Calls glass for that three. Increasing the lead to 5. What a game so far to answer. Yes, sir! That three goes in. Denver with the answer. On the leak out, Abang outraces everyone. 5 straight points for Abang. What a back and forth. Denver will be fouled by Corpus, has been aggressive all game long. So a chance to inch closer. Here's Denver at the free throw area. Misses on the first. Apat na puntos ang kalamangan ng mga taga Zamboanga. Trailed as much as 10. Ngayon, 3 na lang for Region 2. Sila naman na naghahabol. A minute 23 remaining. Corpus goes for that attack. Nawala ang bola. Traveling ang tawag doon. Nice stop by Demate. And with a minute 18 to go, bola ng Region 2. Let's see if they can score. This will be down the line. Timeout is called.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Bola ngayon ng Region 2. 62-65, 3-point lead. Here is Demate. Looking to make some plays. Denver, balik kay Demate. 8 seconds to go. Perez, the Wizard, looking to make work. Extra pass, 2 seconds on the shot clock. And that basket goes in for Demetrius Manalo. On the run, Andre Abapo will be fouled. And big free throws for Abapo. Final, a minute 1 to go. 1 minute 1 second po ang ating official clock. Andre Abapo has been playing well and he will miss the free throw. Abapo will miss both. Pagkakataon for Region 2 to regain the lead back. Morada balik dito kay Demate. 50 seconds remaining, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Morada has been playing well. Demate from way down. That is off the mark. Renquillo secures that rebound. Pagkakataon for Zamboanga to make some big shots. Abang, too good! He has been the hero for Zamboanga. Talking about Abang in this game, pushing the lead to 3 points, 67-64. Timeout is called.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay.
Possession here, 32.9 seconds remaining. 3-point lead para sa Zamboanga Bulldogs. Demate being double teamed here. Someone is bound to be open. Morada. Perez. Only a long two. Won't fall. Rebound by Corpus. Zamboanga Bulldogs looking to complete the comeback in this ball game. A steal by the white shirts, and that's just an easy two by Demetrius Manalo. Hindi pa tayo tapos dito with at least 13.1 seconds remaining. 67-66, bola ng Zamboanga. If you're Zamboanga, you have 3 options para kung kanino mo ibibigay ang bola. You can give it to Kyle Renquillo. You can give it to Andre Abapo or kay Abang, who's been on fire in this fourth quarter. Meanwhile, on the side of the white shirts, get a steal first, get a stop with 13.1. Marami pang oras yan, and if not, go for a quick foul. Dahil mag-uubos na ng oras itong mga taga Zamboanga. Again, a lot of options for the Bulldogs para makakuha dito ng free throw. Abapo will start the inbound. Renquillo tsaka si Abang ang tignan natin dito. Let's see which of those two will receive this ball. Here we go. They give it to Abang. White shirts need to foul. Referees call it no basket. Ang foul ay downstairs. And just as predicted, it is Abang who receives that ball. What a run by Abang on this fourth quarter. Knocks down the free throw. He has been playing well. Talking about Abang. Made that 3-pointer to push that lead to 5. He has at least 8 points in the quarter para dito kay Abang. Misses on that one. Only down here. Looking for the tie. Goes for that pass. And we are knotted at 68. What a big basket. Para dito sa Region 2. 2.9 seconds to go. Zamboanga, Region 2, putting on a show so far. Tandaan natin, this is only our second game of 10. Pangalawang laban pa lamang po dito sa Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Possible makakita ng overtime. Pero tignan natin, 2.9 seconds to go. Bola ng Zamboanga. They will go for the win. Look for them to find Renkiho in this play. But they give it to Andre. Fakes. Rejected. And we are going 5 more minutes. Nice defensive play by Region 2. What a game. Overtime agad. 6-8, 6-8. Zamboanga Region 2 battling it out dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan.
Apparently, 40 basketball minutes is not enough dito sa dalawang to. We are in overtime. Live here inside Banana Court in Las Piñas. Baron Mercado covering the action. And it was a back and forth. It was a nice run made by Zamboanga, but a better defensive stance by Region 2 towards the end of this regulation period. As we start things off, bola ng Region 2. Again, a treat for everyone. Zamboanga and Region 2, magandang bakbakan. Extra pass, nice read. That was Layson getting that one. Abang has been playing well. What a move by Abang. He is the hero of the Zamboanga squad. Morada couldn't finish. Renkiho with a rebound and a stop. Mawawala nga lang sa kanila ang bola. Extra pass. Demetrius Manalo will be fouled by Corpus. So Corpus fouling out in this game. Meron na siyang 5 fouls but has played solid. Talking about etong si Corpus. He was the one who defended si Demate all throughout the game. Demetrius Manalo now will be on the line, on the dot, I should say. We'll sink the first one, talking about Demetrius Manalo. 70-69. Tabla na naman tayo at 70. Region 2 and Zamboanga getting it on dito sa ating second game of 10. Just a reminder, Renkiho loses the ball, a jumper won't fall. Andre Abapo couldn't get that hesitation drive to go at walang nang magagawa doon si Kyle Renkiho. 3 fouls on Kyle Renkiho and penalty situation, meaning Lance Morada will be at the line. Pagkakataon para dito sa Region 2 to regain the lead. But that time, Morada couldn't hit his free throws. Meron pa siyang isa. knocks down the second one. (71-70). Gonna push the pace. Rengkiho 1-2 step is good. Solid step by Rengkiho as he gets that basket. Lamang na ulit ang Zamboanga. Demate will use this Perez pick. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Cyrus trapped on that corner. Balik kay Perez on that cross. Ball is loose on the run once again. Morada will be able to rescue. Lands on the attack. Morada kisses it off the glass. 73-72. 2 minutes 33 remaining dito sa ating overtime period. And so far, these two teams just exchanging baskets. Abang once again. Vince couldn't sink the first one. Knocks down both free throws. Knocks down one of two, I should say. Itong si Vince Abang. Tabla tayo at 73. Ball will return on Region 2 side. Will look to operate once again. Demate from the pass and a shot goes in for Denver. That is a big three by Denver. Lead is pushed to 3. Abang for the tie. That is off the mark. Rebound by Morada. Denver, I should say Perez. Balik dito kay Lance. Demate once again directing traffic. Perez thought about that shot. Goes for that attack. Balik dito. Denver once again. Five straight points for Denver. Andre Abapo will be fouled with a minute 27 remaining. What an overtime performance by Denver ang ngobong. 5 straight points. Misses on the first one is Abapo. Andre looking to cut this lead. Kanina, Region 2, sila ang naghahabol on the end of the fourth quarter. Tignan natin kung magawa ng Zamboanga as Abapo misses on both free throws. Traveling na yan. Or a dribbling violation, I should say, will be called. Regardless, a turnover on the side here. 78-73 Region 2. Looking to push and finish things off here with a minute 22. Zamboanga on the other side. Gustong makalapit. Abapo goes for that drive. Extra pass. Basket goes in. Layson with a big basket. Manalo. Balik dito kay Angobong. Denver has scored 5 straight. Demate attacks. Demate can finish. Nice rejection there. Rengkiho with a block. Abapo will be fouled on that last play with 53.5 to go. Andre Abapo nagmintis ng 2 free throws kanina. Let's see if he can recover just in time. Sinks the first one. Misses on the second. Renquillo secures. Ooh, stepping on the line. Kyle Renquillo stepped on the baseline. 2-point lead, 78-76. Demate on the drive. Extra pass. Perez for two. And a foul will be called on Lance Morada. Nice pass by Demate. All smiles for the Wizard. But Zamboanga down here. So Kyle Renquillo will now be at the line. Big free throws to make. Renquillo can't hit the first one. Misses both. Though played well itong si Kyle Renquillo. Just couldn't convert on those free throws. Perez thought about shooting that three. Will swing the rock. Demate and company. They are looking to put an end in this game. Ball is still in play. Angobong, balik kay Demate. 2 seconds. Couldn't bail them out. Nice stop. Balik dito kay Angobong. Need to hurry. Perez and company will just hold on for this game. Waiting for that shot, and that will be it. What a game between Region 2 and Zamboanga. Holding on for that win. Impressive. That was a crazy back and forth contest for this game. 80-76. What a contest. A lot of heroes for Region 2. 80-76 is the score. Again, what a game. Congratulations to Region 2. But what a fight being put here by Zamboanga. Kyle Renquillo, Abapo, Abang, they have played well. But it was Denver Angobong who made that kill. What a performance for him. 80-76. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan.